Hey guys, today I'm here at Study in Malaysia Business and Marketing Workshop arranged by Education Malaysia Global Service here in Kuala Lumpur. I would like to connect with Mr. Fariz Raza from EMGS to have a few words to appeal you about Study in Malaysia. Thank you.
Nice meeting you.
Thank you.
Right. So,
Any special message for Indian students about inspiring them for study in Malaysia?
my name is Raja Fariz from Education Malaysia Global Services, EMGS. We are the agency under the Ministry of Higher Education Malaysia that promotes study in Malaysia, and also we do process the international student visa. So we do welcome the students, especially from India, to come and join your friends. In Malaysia, we have over 5,000 students from India currently studying in Malaysia, and the number is increased from year to year, and because of the various reasons. The first is because we do offer quality, affordable education. We have 5 universities in the world top 200 QS ranking. Okay, so aside from that, aside from the affordability, aside from the quality education, we do have a lot of program and courses that we can offer to the international student. Just to let you know, we also have 11 foreign branch campuses in Malaysia, from US, from Australia, from UK. Okay, so the students, if you want to have the UK or Australia degree with a very affordable price, you can consider to choose Malaysia as your next study abroad destination. Thank you so much.
So, guys, if you're ready to move, take your next move for study in Malaysia, get in touch with us and see you soon. Thank you.
See you soon. Bye bye.